So hello everyone, today I'll be continuing the CSAT portion of NPSC 2014. I'll be completing in this video the CSAT portion. So like last time, it will consist of 2 questions and I'll be solving each and every question with details. So let's get the video started. So first question is, study the following graph and answer the following questions. So एक graph दिना जाए और states दिना जाए A, B, C, D और ताना production दो दिना जाए for 2003, 4 and 5. So question from question number 81 to 87 is provided, so you have to answer accordingly. So this type of questions are called data interpretation, that is graph dina dako, and from there you have to analyze and answer. It is very easy and there's no need for doing complex calculation, just simple observation and answering the following questions. So first question though, what is the ratio of the minimum and maximum production of state A in any of the given year? So state A dina je ar tela 2003 or 4 or 5 la dina je. So 2003 la basically though it is the minimum. So ratio, the question is asking ratio, so you have to take ratio of minimum to maximum. So what the question is saying, you have to calculate according to this. So first question is, what is the minimum and maximum production of state A of given year? So for state A, the minimum is between 30 and 40, so it will be 25. So minimum the 25 wo between 30 and 40, so it will be 35, sorry. So it will be 35. So minimum is 35 and maximum is, so between 40 and 50, so it will be 45. So one ratio by say ratio means for minimum and maximum, it the maximum is. So ratio to divide kori, so 35 or 45 to kiba divide 5, so it will be 5 7 is 35, 5 9 is 45. So answer will come 7:9. So the answer is 7:9. Keep in mind to follow this order from minimum to maximum, because if we take maximum to maximum first, actually it will be 9:7. 9:7 but this is not the correct answer, this is the correct answer. Next, what is the ratio of minimum and maximum production of state C? So state C is actually the minimum though, so it will be 25, because it is between 20 and 30, and this is between 40 and 50, so it will be 45. So for state C, it will be 25 minimum is to 45 maximum. So if we divide 5 5 is 25, 5 9 is 45, so it will be 5:9. So the answer is 5:9. Next, 83. So for 83, what is the ratio of minimum and maximum of state D? So minimum is this black color for 2004, it is 45, because it is between 40 and 50, and maximum is between if you look at the line, it is between 50 and 60, so it will be 55. So question number 83 will be minimum is 45 and maximum is 55. So if we divide, it will be 5 9 is 45, 5 11 is 55, that is 9:11. So the answer is 9:11. Next, what is the maximum production of A and D? So it a maximum for A maximum is this one, so it is between 40 and 50, so 45, so it will be 45 divided by D. For D, the highest production is, as I have already told you in the last, it will be 55. So if we divide, it is 5 9 is 45, 5 11, so same as last time, it is 9:11. So the answer is 9:11. Next, what is the ratio of minimum production of B and C? B, this is the minimum production, it is 35, and for C it is this one, so it will be 25. So it will be 35 by 25. So if we divide by 5, it will be 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, that is 7:5. So it will be 7:5. Which state in the year 2005 shows maximum production? So in the year 2005, so it is the black color with the strips, the maximum is in D. So because D has 55, so it will be 55. So the answer will be 55, and the year will be D. So the answer is D. Next, in the year which state in the year 2003 shows minimum production? So in 2003 is the rectangle, so minimum is this, so it will be C. So the answer will be C. So like this, the question has been solved for question number 81 to 87. Next question. So this is the continuation. So question number 88 to 90. So only two questions will be there, that is 88 and 89. So let's start. See the following table and answer the following question. The average marks of students in class 9. So class 9 the marks do bisarche for in 1995 it is 90, 80, 88, 120 and so on. So the first question is, in the case of which of the following year delta is always positive? That is, delta for a year is the value of year, the preceding year and the previous year, that is x plus 1. For example, first year to 1995 aje, but x to 1995 luchigule to 1985 luchigule to plus 1 grows, that is 1996. So the question is saying that minus crucially to kundu hotai positive take. So let's take a look at the following year. So for 1995 history is 90 and 100. So 100 minus 90 is 10. So it is coming positive. Similarly, 112 minus 88 is positive. 102 and 120 will come negative because this is bigger than this. Similarly, 45 minus 35 is 10, so positive. So if you look at the order like this, 1997 minus 1996, it is still positive, it is negative because 96 is smaller than 112, so negative it is already negative, so it will be out of the question. And this is a 38 minus 45, so it will come minus 7. So it is also out of the question because the question is asking always positive. So if you look at the question, the options, the subject history has only positive because 120 minus 100 is 20 positive. Next, 124 minus 120 is 4 positive. 130 minus 124 6 positive. So for the case of history, so value to positive for us, so the answer will be for history. Next, in which of the following year the average marks of all the citizens of all the subjects is lowest? So average marks for all the subjects. So how do we do this? So let's take a look at this. 1995, 90, 88, 120 and 35 is subject. So we plus this 90, plus 88 plus 120 plus 35 and divided by 4 subject. So the answer will come to around 83.25. Similarly, next is 100 plus 100 plus 112 plus 102 plus 45 divided by 4. So the answer will come to around 89.75. Next similarly 124 plus 80 inka lower, so it will be 124 plus 80 plus 96 plus 54 divided by 4. So the answer will come to 91.5. Next will come, sorry, I have not counted this 1997. It will be, so for 1997 it will be 91.5, and for this it will come to, that is 124 plus 80 plus 96 plus 54 will come to around 86.5. And for the last year, that is 1989, 130 plus 130 plus 98 plus 110 plus 62 divided by 4, the answer will come to 100. So if you take a look at the minimum question or lowest, so it will be for the year 1995. So the answer is 1995. So with this, the 2014 NPSC mains paper has been completed. So in the next video, I'll be completing 2015 CSAT portion, and I'll be explaining each and every detail. So thank you for watching, and if you're interested in the course, do kindly join the aspirant circle. The link will be provided in the description, and you can contact in this number 84150398823 for this course. So thank you and have a great time.